There are numerous ways to earn extra cash online, and one of the most accessible is through survey platforms. These platforms allow users to make money or earn gift cards by completing simple tasks. If you're looking for ways to boost your income, using survey platforms can be a great option. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most well-known and reliable survey platforms, recognized as a legitimate way to make money online since 2008. 2. Inbox Dollars. Founded in 2000, Inbox Dollars is another trusted survey platform that has earned Better Business Bureau accreditation. 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is one of the most popular survey platforms with over 20 million users. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to start earning. After comparing all three platforms, Swagbucks stands out as the best option due to its variety of earning methods, appealing bonuses, and overall flexibility.